I have a happy family.
I have a happy family.
My mom is very kind.
My mom is very kind.
I love playing with friends.
I love playing with friends.
The sun shines every morning.
The sun shines every morning.
I have a pet cat.
I have a pet cat.
My dad drives a car.
My dad drives a car.
I like eating yummy pizza.
I like eating yummy pizza.
The park is very big.
The park is very big.
I play cricket every weekend.
I play cricket every weekend.
My sister is very sweet.
My sister is very sweet.
I go to school daily.
I go to school daily.
My favorite color is blue.
My favorite color is blue.
I like reading books daily.
I like reading books daily.
I have a beautiful parrot.
I have a beautiful parrot.
My friends are very nice.
My friends are very nice.
I have a big backyard.
I have a big backyard.
I love riding my bike.
I love riding my bike.
My mom cooks tasty food.
My mom cooks tasty food.
The library has many books.
The library has many books.
I like playing outside daily.
I like playing outside daily.